Hello and welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we'll see about the templates, what are templates and how to create the templates. We'll also go through the types of the templates and how to create them. We'll see the difference between the master templates, the product templates and PDF block templates. And what are product templates, how to create, assigning specific templates to specific users. If you want to assign template to a specific user or a retail or a corporate or a particular department, then how to do that we'll see, and how to manage these templates we'll also go through. So let's get started. There are three kind of templates that we have. Number one is the product master templates. These are the templates that we have given to each of our client as a complimentary templates along with the 37 products that has been given to you. These templates are around 7,000 plus templates, and these templates are divided into these 37 products. For example, if you go and check for the standard business card, you have lot many templates available using the designer studio. So your customers will have all these templates for specifically for standard business card and for this size. Now the other product you have is for example mouse pad. So this is also there. When you click on here and search, there are different kind of templates available for mouse pad. So there are 7,000 templates called master templates, and all these has been divided, categorized with these products that are given to you as a complimentary. So these are called the master templates. Now when you go into the master templates, you will find that you won't be able to delete this template. You won't have the option called delete the template. Now you can definitely change these options from here and can manage the templates. If you want the same template to be created for the new product that you have created, for example, you have created a business card that is not there, you have created from your side, and you want this template, for example, to be created for your new product, then what you can do, you can go in create a new version. We have already explained this in our another video of duplicate and how to create a new version template. So please watch that video for more details on that part. Now here I'll go on the option called product templates. When you click on this drop down, you will have these two options, product template and PDF block template. And when you, this is different and this is different. Now PDF block templates are mainly and basically used for the corporates where they have some dynamic fields and where they have some static fields. Now static fields will be there as it is in the template. For example, if the company is creating a PDF block template for their business card, they will have the specific logo, and in that place only they will have the fonts and the name and the color. All these will be static, and what could be the dynamic is the name of the employee, the designation, email ID and the phone number of the employee. So this will be changing, could be dynamic. So if you want to create a this kind of a template, then you have to use PDF block. Now for other templates, the simple templates that can be used or created for your retailers, that you should go in the block templates, product templates. Now here we have created different kind of templates already available for the customers. Now you can view and see, this is the product name, the size that is there for the product. This template is created for that size and the product name. The category here, if you go and check on the front store, and if you see, this is the template category. These are all different kind of template category. For example, if someone on your website logs in and when he is searching for a template, because he is an automobile engineer. So he will click on this, and all these templates that you have created for your customer who is looking for automobile engineering, then all these templates will be displayed to him. So this is called the template category. Here if you click on the computer, all the templates that related to computer will be displayed. This could be the master templates, and this could be the product template as well, because your customer will not find any difference between the product template and the master template. They will get whatever you will display on the front store. So for your convenience, it is as an admin, you should be able to identify what are the master templates and what are the product templates. Now this is the category. That category can be created from here. We have created around 45 to 50 different categories. All are included in different types of categories, but if you still need to have more categories, then you can create from here. On this option you can create a new category. So now let us now dive in how to create a new product template. Now suppose if you want to create a product template for your business card, so you have to go into product templates, click on product templates, click on add, and select the user type. Here a lot of options that you will have to select. You can, as I said, you can create a specific template for specific user. If you select a specific retailer, then you can select it over here, and if you type the first three letters, all the users will be populated who is having that letters. So you can create for this one, you can create for any of the user that you want. If you are creating a template specific for a specific department of a corporate, then also you can select the department, and that template and this template will be created for that department of that particular corporate only. So here you have to select the appropriate user for which you are looking for. Let me create for all users, that means all retailers and the corporate. I can select the product for which I want to select. I will select the business card magnets, and this is the size. So here I'll be selecting the category. As I said, you can create the new category and that will be populated, will be displayed over here. I'll be selecting the basic. Now here what I am doing, I am creating a customizable template that your customer will be able to choose the design and can make the design or can use his creativity and can set the designs for him. Now the language you can select, and the name of the template is, I'll give it as sample. Okay, now the size we have selected of a product. Now please remember, the templates don't have any size. The size is of the product, and the template will be created based on the size of the product that you have selected. Now here, if the size of any of the product in your system, in your website on is same, that will be displayed over here. Okay, if the size is not matching, then the product over here will not be created. Now what is the advantage? You can select these products also, and the templates that you are creating will automatically be created for these products also. If you select this over here, now this banner will also have the same templates that you are going to create. Okay, so you can create one template for different products as well. Now if you have a group name, you can select the group name, as we have already discussed how to create the group, and that can also be selected if you want to create a template for specific group. Now here we have different template types. Now how many types of templates you can create is listed over here. We are creating a fresh new template, so we can select any of the options available. Let me explain you. The first one is that the customization. When you select the customizable template option, the customer will be able to make the changes in the templates that you have created. The non-customizable templates would be displayed in this manner. If you go onto the front store and let me open the magnet business card and will show you. I'll go onto the browse design and here it is. Now if you select this non-customizable option, that means the customer will not have anything to select. It will just select it as a checkout. Here you see this is customizable, the same template. And here you see the same template kind is a checkout. This is a non-customizable template and this is the customizable template, right? Now if you select this option, upload print ready file. Now print ready PDF file. Now there would be some instances where where you want your customers to have the directly print ready file, and that could be for corporates. Suppose they have the admission filling form. For example, if you have customers of bank and they want to have the admission form or the customer creation form or new customer or the new customer form that they fill in for their new account, for opening the new account. So they have the print ready file, they don't want any changes in that. So in that situation you can upload directly that PDF file for that customers, right, from here, and it will display in this manner. You see, this is a checkout non-customizable template and this is the directly PDF file. So if you click on that, this if the customer selects this option, he will be uploading his PDF file, and he will not be uploading the PDF file, but this will be the printed. Okay, he won't be able to make any changes over here. So these are the three options that are there: customizable, non-customizable, and PDF. Now the PDF block template, we have separate section and the separate videos related to PDF block template. So please check out those videos. Now I'm selecting the customizable template here and I'll select the sort order, and this sort order will be displaying on the front store over here. If you want your templates to be selected on the top, to be displayed on the top, then you have to have the sort order 0 or 1 to 10 where you want to display. Now I'll click on save and continue, and this will land me into a blank canvas to create the new template for the customer for the business card magnet product and for this size. Click on continue. So now you open the template in the designer studio, it will look like that. Okay, now if you to create a good business card, you can create the images in other applications such as Adobe Illustrator or InDesign or whatever it could be, and you can create that background images and can set it that in that way. Now here I have created few background images over here, and I can upload this and can show you how it will look like. So I have uploaded these 3 images. I'll upload that for the reference and will select any one of them, right? For example, if I like this image, I'll select that and will just click on set that as background, and this will be set as background, and if I click on this lock option, it will not be moved or not be changed, and I won't be able to make any changes in here. Now I would like to have the another image. If I wish, I can select this one and can click on the set as background. It would be set as a background. Now here you can make these kind of changes from here, left to right, zoom out, zoom in, all these options are available, and I'll now create my actual template. So here I'll go and click on set this one so that no one can make the changes in the background. I'll add few options such as name. So my customer can set the name. The second one, I would like to set it as designation. The third one as mobile number. And the fourth one I would like to have is the email address. The email. So here I would allow my customer to place all these options over here. Now I would like to set all this. A designation would come beside this, and here we have four options, all four in random. Now I'll make them align. So I will click on more and align according to the line. Both should be in the same line. So I'll set this as over here and these two as on the left hand side, and these two I'll set it on the left hand side as well. Now here I can select both and can set it in this way, right? So here now if I have another option called company name, which will be here, and I can ask the or set as the bigger name, and I will stretch this a little bit. Okay, so here the logo, if I want to have the company logo, or if I want to have some shapes, I can design for shapes and use it in something in this manner or some other way if I wish, right? So this way you can keep the designing, and you can select the cliparts also from here. Different cliparts are uploaded from our side, and you can upload as many cliparts as you like from your side from the custom designer studio options. Now these are the, as I showed you, these are the images that you can upload, and if you go in here on the image gallery, we have given you a few images that will be there. So whatever image you upload will be displayed in here for your end clients or for your end customers to use it. Now here what I'll do, I'll just click on continue. So let us create this simple template and click on continue. So this is how we click on here, and the template will be created and it will be displayed over here for your magnet business card. Now if I go onto the front store, or I can directly do it as a preview, and it will open in the front store. Now the customer will be able to make the changes in here. If he is willing to have his own background, then he is not allowed, because you have made it locked, you have locked it, so the background will not be changed by the end customer. Now here he can use these options, whatever designs he likes or whatever things he would like to have. He can also upload his own images from his own computer. Let me try to do it for you so you get some good idea. Any of the image that you can upload from here. So it is processing and it will be displayed over here. So this way he can upload the images, any image. This was just an example. So the customer will also be able to upload the image and will use this template and save it, and if he wants he can click on and make the changes. The text, mobile number, he would like to enter the email ID, and the name needs to click on edit text, designation, or he can go in here and make the changes in here. Okay, so the customer will make these changes as per his likings and will adjust the thing and will click on continue, and the order is going to be placed. Okay, now here you see the design is not proper, so the customer will have an option to click it over here and view for the last time, and he's realized that his name is cutting, so he can click on edit your design and can again go into the designer studio and can make the changes. So here I deliberately did that to show you that if the customer is making a mistake, then he can definitely make the addition. Okay, so this way he can use it, the email ID and the phone number. This phone number is not looking nice over here, so what I'll do, I'll keep it down on the left side, or I'll decrease the font size. So this way it can be done. Now I'll click on continue. If I want to see the preview, I can click on the preview, and a PDF file will be downloaded, and here I can see the preview as a customer. So here you see the PDF preview is available, and this would be of low resolution. Okay, so here the customer will go and click on add and the order will be placed. So this way you can create as many templates as you want, as you like for your customer. What I request in here, that when you go and create a new version or create a template, then you use the good images that can be created from other applications and use. Now here if I go and click on edit design again, suppose if I want to make the changes in this order, now my company name and the email ID is coming on the 4th and 5th position, and my designation is coming on the 2nd, but what I want is I want to change the order of this field. So in that situation I have to go to template and click on edit order field. So here all the sort order is on the 0, so I will change it that I want mobile to be on the 2nd, this to be on the 3rd position, email on the 5th position, and myself on the 3rd, and we'll click on save. So here it will set as this way, and if you go onto the front store now and refresh the page, so it will be changed. So the sorting order, if you wish, you can change the sort order of your website, of your template, So here this is what we have. If you can click on save and back, it will go on the back side and click on action, and here the template property master that has been explained in detail in the next video. So for this, please watch the next video. Now if you want to deactivate this template for the product, or if you want to change the product from this business card magnet to some other product, in that case you have to go to edit info page and can add or change the user type or whatever you want. Everything you will be able to make the changes in here. If you want to change the name, change the user, change the product, change the category, anything in this regard, you can make the changes. If you want to make the changes in the design, then you have to go to action and edit design. You have to use this edit design. Here we have already explained about create a new version in another video for the template creation and duplicate templates, and this option is just to open the template along with the product in the designer studio on the front store. So this is how you go with the template and create a new product template from your side. If you have if you go into the layouts, you have different layouts. You can select any of the layout and the layout will be changed. If you select this one, then the layout will be changed. Okay, I have changed the product, and you can see it is now the second page is also there. On the second page you can have different layout. For example, I can select this layout for the second page. So sorry, so the second page layout is also there, and the first page layout is this one. So here we have, you can create different layout for your templates, for your products, and use these templates. Now images, as I have shown, shapes also we have discussed, and only thing was left was layout. Clipart, as I have shown you, you can upload the different cliparts from your admin panel. And the backgrounds, as we have discussed, that backgrounds can be created, or you can create different images and can upload the backgrounds from there. So this way you can create the templates for your customers for different products. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Have a nice time. Take care. Bye bye.